Come visit the Mid-Atlantic colonies. You could visit New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. In our social class, there are a lot of different social classes that you could be. You could be a farmer and not have a lot of rights and can't vote. Or you could be a woman and have a little more rights than a farmer and still you can't vote. Our specializations is that we farm. We have a lot of artisans for any material that needs to be made. We have fishermen, shipbuilders for our economic resources. Our interdependence is that we depend on the southern colony for cotton, for making clothes and other materials. We also depend on the New England colonies for metal tools and equipment for farming. Our geography in the Mid-Atlantic colonies, we have the Appalachian Mountains and coastal lowlands and great harbors and bays and wide and deep rivers. We have mild winters and moderate summers. Our social and political lifestyle. We live in farms and market towns. We are diverse groups of people of many different religions. We make our political decisions in a market town on market days.
We hope you come visit us.